there and welcome. I'm Hugo Ferreira from TechCornerTV and today I have here for review the Dell Latitude 3510 2021 edition. Latitude series, for those that are not aware, is the business edition of the equivalent Inspiron, a middle-range series a bit more high-end than the entry-level Vostro series. For this reason, Latitude 3510 is more powerful, more attractive and thinner, and overall seems to have a better performance. It has around 36 cm or 14 inches wide, 25 cm or 10 inches long, and 1.7 cm or 0.76 inches height, and about an easy to carry 1900 grams or 4.80 pounds. The design is modern with a very attractive dark grey matte finish that differs a bit from the traditional silver and black finish usually found in the Inspiron series. It is well packed on the left side with two USB ports, one USB Type-C 3.2 with DisplayPort support and power delivery, a second USB 3.2 Gen 1 port with power share, an HDMI port and the power connector. On the right side we have two more USB ports, one USB 3.2 Gen 1 and USB 2.0, a LAN port, a mixed mic and earphone connector, and finally a micro SD card reader. When you open the display, the laptop will automatically power up due to its auto-on function, and this can be customized in the configuration to change this behavior. The display has a solid structure and can tilt all the way until it's flat. The version that I have here doesn't have the fingertip reader. However, and nevertheless the simplistic design, we still have a numeric keypad. And I know that currently this might be a polemic subject with different opinions about the need of a numerical keypad on a laptop. But I am old school and I think that still is a nice feature. Still on the keyboard subject, you have low-height keys with a decent travel distance that will provide a nice typing experience. These even they are plastic, something that we don't get immediately due to the matte finish like the rest of the laptop. We also found this rust matte finish on the touchpad, which is very nice, accurate and reliable. It has a Full HD display with a max resolution of 1920 by 1080 pixels with 141 pixels per inch, and even if the intensity is only 220 nits, it's clearly enough for your indoor everyday work tasks. And its anti-reflection screen provides a very nice 80-degree wide view angle. Moving on to the performance, it is very fast to boot, almost instantly. It is equipped with an Intel i5-10210U 10th generation processor that provides 4 cores and 8 threads with 6 MB smart cache, and the base clock speed of 1.60 GHz and 4.20 GHz maximum turbo speed. Complementing the processor, we can find 8 GB DDR4 RAM with the possibility to upgrade to 32 GB using two 16 GB DDR4 modules. For storage, we have a 256GB NVMe SSD. So everything combined will surely give you more than enough power to run Windows 10 Pro that comes installed, and most everyday work tasks. The 4-cell 53 watts battery will give you enough juice for several hours of autonomy and continuous operation. If you liked this review and it was useful to you, please give a thumbs up, and if you want to see more content like this, please subscribe and hit that bell so you can be notified every time I launch a new video. That's it for today. Thanks for watching until the end, and I hope to see you in my next video.